Cuz what's in your freezer? Hash rising Dab City. Hold my lungs, forgive me. Really way too litty. Therapist gave me meds, but I still think out of my head. Therapist gave me meds, but I still think out of my head. Cuz what's in your freezer? Hash rising Dab City. Hold my lungs, forgive me. Really way.
What's up, my lovely people? This your boy Kels, and this is Kels Talking Gas. I have a very new vendor I'm trying for the very first time. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to go to their establishment in person, so I ordered online. But next time, I plan on being there in person because it's only like an hour and a half away from me in Greenville, North Carolina. I'm talking about none other than the Southern Maryland Experience. Let's go. Yo. Hey, yo, this is cool as fuck. Hell yeah. This is going on the wall. Yeah. Let's go. That smell is absolutely wonderful. Mac number 1 crumble. Never had Mac 1 crumble, but that looks good. Hell yeah. Hey, it looks really, really good too. Top of that. Hell yeah, let's go. Okay, we're on the website now and we're looking up the ice cream pie. This is the high THC hemp flower, starting out at $6.55. And this is the tier 1 exotic smalls. Oh my, that looks fucking delicious. Let's go. First off, I appreciate bro for including a boost pack. Very, very important. Bam, got it rolled up on the dry pool. I get like that sense of like this dessert, almost kind of gelato-ish, almost in a way. It's very sweet in the pool. Slight doughish. Maybe a hint of grape. It says ice cream pie is a potent indica dominant hybrid using a cross between ice cream cake and wedding pie. Known for its sweet, creamy, and nutty profile. Cheers. Hope you're smoking along with me. Write in the comments what you're smoking on. The dessert tastes strong with this one. Yes, very. Hint of vanilla and nut. Like a nutty vanilla. As far as definitely some gas, like I feel it already. I'm not even halfway done. Not with the joint. And this isn't a king size joint. This is a 1 1/4. So yeah. This strain kind of reminds me of Dos almost. Like it's that sweet taste. Like it's so fucking dessert. Like this is one of those strains. You go outside, you do some yard work, you gotta reward yourself. This is a reward. This is a reward yourself strain. That's what I'm gonna call it. You do your workout, reward yourself. You do your chores, reward yourself. Cut the grass, reward yourself. Got the mail, reward yourself. I recommend, and I haven't even tried the other flowers yet. someone say time for a dab?
I'm not Superman, not Spider-Man, not
I
Peter
think so.
Pan. But
Yeah,
if I take it
definitely
down,
is.
I might
Mac
never
1.
land. I'm not Superman, not Spider-Man, not Peter Pan. But if I take another dab, I might never land. I might never land. I might never land. I might never land. I might.
Ooh, okay.
I might never land. I might never land. I might never land. I might never land. This what I'm supposed to do. Sleeping got too comfortable. Trials and tribulations in my way get ate like Lunchables. I can take my pain and still give thanks cause life is wonderful. Only one on one, but I be working like there's multiple. Make me cut up, leave some room for the drummer. You can ask my lungs, all gas like a Hummer. I cheated on a winner, I was working all summer. Still overthinking everything and being humble. I'm not Superman, not Spider-Man, not Peter Pan. But if I take a dab, I might never land. I'm not Superman, not Spider-Man, not Peter Pan. But if I take another
The Southern
dab, I might never
Maryland
land.
experience
I might never land. I might never
has my
land.
cosign.
I might never
I've only tried 2 of their
land.
products so far. I was blown away with this ice cream pie. This current crumble I just tried was Mag 1. Fucking amazing. Also, I have a code on them. If you'd like to give them a try, use my code. It'll save you some. Because who doesn't like saving some? You know? It's your boy Kels. Like, comment, subscribe, repost. Have a nice day.